Yeah, hi students. So welcome to this new video. So in this video, the question is find the number whose double is greater than its half by 45. So that means tip also they have given, that is greater by 45 means difference is equal to 45. And the options given are option A 20, option B 25, option C 30 and option D 36. So let us see how to solve this. Okay. So first what we have to do, they have given us to find out the number n. So let us assume number n as, we don't know the number, right? So we'll assume number be n. And they are saying whose double? Double means 2n, which is greater than its half. Its half means n divided by 2, and which is greater than its half by amount 45. So which is 45. I'll keep it here. Okay. So in order to make, they have given the tip, that is the difference is 45. That means 2n. So if I want to remove this symbol, greater than symbol, I'll make it as equal by adding that 45, right? So now let us take the LCM in the right hand side. I'll just move the screen here and see clearly. So if I take the LCM, left hand side 2n will be as it is. So this side, right hand side, it will become n plus 2 into 45 divided by 2. So which is equal to n plus 90 divided by 2. Okay. This 2 I'll take it left hand side. So it will become 2 into 2n, which is equal to n plus 90. Okay. So this will become 4n, which is equal to n plus 90. Okay. Now if I solve this, so I'll take this n towards again left hand side, so that it will become 4n minus n, which is equal to 90. Now 4n minus n will become 3n, which is equal to 90. Therefore the n value will be, if I take this 3 right hand side, it will become divided by. So I'll just make sure, one second. So this n is equal to 90 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9, and this 0 as it is. So n value will be 30. So that means the number is 30, that is option C. Let us cross verify whether that difference is coming 45 or not, right? So what they are saying, the number whose double is greater than its half by 45. Double means n we already know, that is 30, so whose double is 60, and is half means 30, its half is 15. And if I take the difference 60 minus 15, which is equal to 45. Therefore the correct answer is option C, which is 30. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new to our channel. And don't forget to hype this video so that it will reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any video whenever we upload new videos. Keep watching. Thank you.